Hi, everyone. Welcome to 561 Main Street in Tottenville, Staten Island. This home is located on a beautiful, picturesque block with trees that are lining the street from top to bottom. If you take a look down the block, you'll notice that you are within a short distance to the local beach, which is great for a summer day. Within the area, you have the Tottenville pool. You also have the Charleston Shopping Center, and you also have plenty of shopping along Page Avenue. The conference house is not far away, which holds plenty of history for the area. You do have a driveway as well as ample parking on the street. Let's take a look inside. Upon entry, you'll notice that there is a foyer where you can place a bench to sit down and take off your shoes before stepping into the living room. This home allows in a ton of natural light that comes in from the large windows in the front of the house, along with windows near the dining area and a large sliding door in the back of the home. This home has laminate flooring throughout the living room and dining room combination area, as well as tile in the kitchen and carpeting in your family room. You have a half bathroom to your left, which is fantastic for entertaining guests. While entertaining guests, you can continue to talk to them as you're cooking in your large eating kitchen. You have plenty of storage here, as you have cabinets, as well as a large pantry. You'll also notice stainless steel appliances, which include a dishwasher, your stove, and your refrigerator. Here we have the family room, which is an excellent addition to the house and creates even more square footage. You have two sunlights, again allowing in the light, and fans in the front and the back of the house, which create a nice cool breeze during the summertime. You can see clearly from the back of the house to the front of the house at all times. Let's take a look upstairs. Here you'll notice a carpeted stairway. And we'll take a step up and into the master bedroom. Here, the master bedroom currently is holding a queen-size bed, but can fit a king as well. You have large windows that reach all the way up to the ceiling, along with a cathedral-style ceiling and a fan. You have two closets in this room, as well as an entryway to your attic for additional storage space. Here we have a 4-piece bathroom. You'll notice the tub along with the stand-in shower. The long hallway allows for privacy throughout the bedrooms. Here is our 3rd bedroom, which fits a full-size bed. And still has a nice sized closet. Here in our 2nd bedroom, we have a queen size bed, laminate floors, and a large closet here as well. There are fans in every bedroom upstairs, which keeps the air flowing. We'll take a walk downstairs towards the basement. As we're on our way to the basement, just some dimensions to note. The home is about 15 by 50 on the square footage. The total square footage is just under 1,500 square feet, not including the basement. Your lot size is 2,500 square feet. And the home was built in 1995. Here is your sewer. And your utilities. Here we have the washer dryer, along with an extra refrigerator for extra storage for your produce and anything else that needs to be kept cold. Here we have a half bathroom. In total, there are 3 bathrooms at this property, full bath on the bedroom level, half bath on the main level, and a half bath here in the basement. As we take a step back, you'll notice a large family room in the basement that can be used for various purposes. Maybe a guest bedroom, a playroom, a home office, or anything that may suit your needs. Here's another room that can be used for storage space. It is currently unfinished, but can be finished. Here's another area with some more storage space. To note, this home provides central air throughout. It has gas heating, baseboard on the main and bedroom level. Here we're taking a step out into our yard. You'll notice a shed in the back. You'll also notice a nice area for seating and entertaining with a guest table. And when you take a few steps up onto your back deck, you do have a space for a barbecue there or a couple of chairs. There you'll see the sliding glass doors that go into the family room on the main level. From this angle, you can see the entryway down to the basement. And as we walk through the basement now, you can take an additional look at the storage that it holds. This home provides an open floor concept, which makes it bright and airy. There's one last peek at 561 Main Street. Thank
Perfect.
you for joining us for our virtual tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or email us. Our office line is 718-447-8100.